How to fix Android camera black screen problem. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, go to settings. Make sure you have the latest version of software in your device. Sometimes, outdated software can also cause fault in your camera. Now go to software update and then go to download and install. If there are any down installs or any new updates, make sure to install it in your device. After that, go back and then go to apps. Now locate your camera application. After that, go to its storage section and then tap on clear cache. You can also reset camera settings. Simply go to storage and then tap on clear data and you will be done. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.